हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब। आई विश कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे। मैं अमन शर्मा स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का द इकोनॉमिक्स एक्सपर्ट में। सो गाइस, इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक्स एंड एसेंस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. So if you are the student of economics and want to learn economics from the basic, so this video is for you. So guys, let's begin the video.
So first, we will talk about economics. Economics is the science which deals with human activity, which are related to money and alternative use of scarce resources. Now, we will talk about essence of economics. There is two main essence of economics. First is scarcity and the second one is choice. So guys, first we will talk about scarcity. Guys, scarcity, it is a situation in which the availability of resources fall short to their requirement. We can take the example to understand this situation. Suppose we demand for the 10 resources, but resources fall short to their requirement. Maybe it can be 5. Now we will talk about choice. So guys, choice, it is a problem that arises from their alternative use of due to limited resources. And after understanding scarcity and choice, we can say that resources are limited and they can't fulfill our all requirement and they have alternative use. That's why it can be called essence of economics.